Cognitive behavior therapy is a popular treatment for emotional disorder, but it can be difficult to find therapists who are certified in CBT. That's where customer research comes in. With customer research incentives, you can get your therapist on board so that your therapy is tailored specifically to meet the needs of your audience. This way, you'll be able to overcome emotional problems faster and more effectively than ever before. How cognitive behavior therapy can help you overcome emotional disorders. Cognitive behavioral therapy is a type of therapy that focuses on changing the way you think and feel. It helps people to improve the emotional lives by working on problems that are causing them problems. Cognitive behavior therapy can be used to help people with anxiety, depression, and a lot of other disorders, social phobias, and more. But some of the benefits of cognitive behavior therapy include that reduces cognitive behavior therapy can reduce the symptoms of emotional disorder. It can help you to feel better in every situation or probably in many situations, improve your relationship with others, increase your self-esteem, and also improve your ability to problem solve. Increasing your ability to focus and to stay on task is also one of the factors that CBT can help you with. Reducing the risk of developing chronic mental disorders can also be helpful with CBT. It can improve the quality of sleep, improve your overall well being. So, how do we get started with cognitive behavior therapy? If you are struggling with emotional disorder or anything that is related to emotions, cognitive behavior therapy may be a perfect fit for you. In this type of therapy, therapists use skills like problem solving, self care to help you manage your emotions. To get started and start by learning with the basics of CBT. This covers the basics of cognitive behavior therapy, which is a type of therapy that uses strategies to help you overcome your emotional problems. Starting the treatment with CBT can be a bit tough initially because you have to take control of your own thoughts and feelings. It is important to make sure that you are well prepared and comfortable with therapy tools. This includes learning about CBT techniques and being comfortable with them in your own session. You can also attend treatment group of workshops to learn further more about the techniques used in CBT. Group treatment is a great form of getting help from others who share your same goals and feelings as you do in order to create a support system while working through your emotional disorder or problems. Learning how to use cognitive behavior therapy can be very helpful. Once you're comfortable using CBT tools in your sessions, it is time to start working through your emotional problems. In order to work effectively with CBT, it helps you first to understand objectives and goals. What you hope to achieve from the treatment is what we call as a treatment goal. Next, developing a coping mechanism or a coping strategies, ways to handling the stress that will work for you and your disorder. Finally, find out how best to use cognitive behavior therapy in each session in order to most effectively address the issues faced by treating the emotional problems as whole. There are several things that you can look to endorse CBT in your life. The first step is to manage your emotional disorder, is to use the right tools for the job. Cognitive behavior therapy or CBT works best when used in conjunction with other forms of therapy such as medication and social support. To find right tools, you start by browsing therapist website or visiting a therapist's office. You can also ask a friend or a family member for advice. Your physician can be the best choice wherein you can start with. Be persistent when you're trying to change your behavior. It is important to be persistent. If you take too long to achieve results, you may feel discouraged and give up. Instead, focus on achieving small goals and staying motivated throughout your treatment process. Be patient. It is very important while working with CBT. Don't expect things to happen overnight or magical results. The progress you will make will take time and effort. Be consistent with your treatments and continue to seek out professional help if needed. Having a positive outlook on life also matters, but it is not positive outlook does not mean just thinking positive. When you have a positive outlook, it means that you are ready to put that type of effort in your treatment rather than just laying back and waiting for things to happen. By having a positive perspective, you will be more likely to continue taking the medications and seeking out support. So, to sum it all up, the bottom line is CBT can be a great way to overcome emotional disorders. By starting with cognitive behavioral therapy and growing with it, you will be able to reach your goals for health and happiness. Additionally, have a positive outlook on life and persistent effort will result in a long-term success. So there's a couple of mini courses that are available of how CBT can be used in your day-to-day life. You can just go to the description and download the links or hop on our waiting list for the mini courses that are going to come next. Thank you so much.